Hi friends, myself Narmada. I am a senior software engineer having 9 years of experience as a Microsoft technology. So today agenda how you can load data from multiple CSV file to SQL Server table and log the audit information by using the row count transformation. Row count transformation means what? It's a useful to count the rows passed from the source count and store the final value into a variable. In SQL Server integration service, row count transformation will not update the variable value until the last row of the source data has passed through this SSIS transformation. Okay, today let's see what we are going to achieve. So, for example, we are having this directory. In this, there are around three files. Right now, what we are going to do, we are going to load all three file data to this table. Okay. And finally, after loading, we are going to log those details in this table. So this table created, see how it has been created. The ID is identity column. The file name is the file name. Like each file name will be stored in this log, and the row count, each row count in the file will be stored in this variable, and which time this data has been loaded like this. And finally, in this table, we are going to capture the audit log. Okay, let's begin. Just open the Visual Studio, create the new SSIS package. Let me open that package already open. So here, first step, you have to load all three files, correct? So to load all three files, what you have to do? You need a for each loop container, correct? Then only every files it will be picked automatically and it will be loaded. Let's begin. For each loop container, we'll double click this collection. You have to choose for each file enumerator, browse the file. So all are in CSV file format. I'm just doing variable mapping. I'm just creating new variable. It's a file path. To store the file path, we are creating the variable. Okay. Now click OK button and then drag and drop data folders because we are just going to load data to the SQL Server from the flat file. Now what you have to define the source from which is we are going to get the data from the flat file source. Pick the CSV file, you just need to use flat file connection manager. Okay, so just select this and see the columns value how it is there. It's a double quotation. It is the beginning of the text and end of the text. That means you have to use text qualifier as a double quotation. Then column name in the first data row. Okay. Now click columns. So still column name having double quotation. Just go and remove this. Again click this. It will be gone. So like this you have to do. Okay. Just click OK. And also you see when we are reading data from source, all will be in the string character. Let's see if we have created flat file connection manager. If you see columns and the advanced, if you see each and every data types, it's a string because while reading data from the Excel or CSV file, it will be in string format. Okay, DT underscore str format. You have to note this point. Okay, now I am just going to use row count transformation because I need to count the number of rows from the flat file source. Then drag and drop. Then here to store this row count value, we need a variable, correct? Just create the variable row count. It's a integer data type, then close it. Now you just control the row count variable, okay? Now define the destination as a OLEDB destination. Just to close this OLEDB destination, you have to choose one. Create new. Okay, choose the driver name as a Microsoft OLED driver for SQL Server and provide the server name and select the database name. So HCM, test the connection succeeded. Click OK. Then choose the table name. It's a percentage address table where we are going to load. Okay. Now click OK. See, you can see the error. Why means because the source input data type versus target data type not in sync. Just you can just move the cursor to the symbol error symbol. It is showing like column address line cannot convert between Unicode and non-Unicode string. Why means while we reading data, all are in string data type, correct? So you see here all are string. But if you go and check the target table name, okay, let me open this table. This is the table. If you see address line or n varchar, but there in it's a source, it's read like source. So then you need to convert this data type in between. So use data conversion, and then convert the string to n string. Okay. So then choose this all and remove address ID. Address ID I don't need because the address ID is a identity data type. We don't need to insert the data. So I'm just ignoring this. Then convert that to Alex name given as a copy of. Okay. Then this is the output for whatever data type we are changing. Okay. So Unicode string. Unicode string and you have to choose Unicode string. Unicode string. Host code will be integer. I mean the target. If you see in the target, the postcode is varchar only, but state provision ID is integer, correct? So then state provision ID you just give integer. Postal code you select string. Or you can give 4-bit sign integer. Okay, click OK. Now then can take this. Oh, go and check the mapping. So you have to choose whatever we converted as a data conversion columns, right? Because this is source input columns. Mapping is present as per the source input. You need to change the mapping, right? So the data conversion, whatever we have done, for that column, respective column, you need to select copy of city, copy of state, provision, copy of postal code. Click OK. Okay, what it is coming? Okay, address ID. Address ID we don't need because that is identity column. We could not insert the record. Okay, just save it. So now you need to make the connection as a dynamic because flat file connection manager right now it's referring the first file whatever we selected, right? Now we need to make this to dynamic so then only it will be pick the file automatically. So we need to make this connection string as a dynamic. This expression as a file path evaluate. Just click OK. Okay. Save it. Now we have done all the setup, but right now final step is what? By using row count transformation, we need to log these details correct. This is what we are going to achieve finally. So what you have to do, just drag and drop execute SQL task and flow this connection. Just double click this connection. You select the share connection string for the SQL server. Go to the expression. Why we are choosing expression? Because the value It will be changed dynamically, right? So you have to choose SQL statement because SQL statement stores because we are just going to insert the log entry, correct? Now I am just going to insert into log table, table values. Okay, here then choose the plus what first file path. File path you have to choose plus you just put comma and double quotation plus you have to choose what row count. So the row count is an integer you need to convert as a DTW string. Okay, DT plus the WSTR comma 50. Okay, then plus double quotation get date. Okay, evaluate the expression. Okay. Here I need a single quotation value before file name versus after file name. So it's a blank right now because I have not passed any value to the file path right now. So that's why it's blank. But once the package ran, it will be get changed automatically. See, comma is missing here after zero. You just put comma. Exactly. Okay. And save it. Now just go and check the table. There is no entry in this table as well. In this log table as well. So the log table, there are a lot of entries present, but I must truncate table log because for your better understanding, I'm just truncating. Now you could see there is no record present. Okay, just start to run the package right now. Why? What is the error? Just check, go and check. The execute sequence does fail because so invalid object name log. Okay, here logs we used, but here log we used. That is the problem. Just go and change this logs. Okay. Click OK, then save it. Now start to run. Okay. So now go and check. See the three record. This file having three records. This file having 11 records. This file having 9 records. So overall, how many records? 23 records. Yeah, 23 records got inserted. Okay. So let me rerun it again because we have rain. We ran the first time. So that's why first three records got inserted. So I'm just truncating for your guys for your reference again rerunning. So now you just go and check the 23 records should be there. See? So yeah. Guys, I suppose you understand well this concept, how you can use it. This aggregate transformations. Sorry. I suppose you understand this transformation well, proton transformation. So I hope you understand this transformation. If you like, so please subscribe my channel and also please comment me if you need more clarification. Thank you so much.